The first time we did an alchemy class and I watched it upload into the system, I think there were a few tears of joy that ran down the side of my face. It was great, it's wonderful. I mean, it saved hours and hours and hours of time.
I can't stress to other companies how valuable this system has been to us.
Te permite aprender de una mejor manera, mucho más rápida e interactiva. Entonces eso lo que hace es que la gente retenga la información y puedan implementar y mejorar sus procesos, que ese es el objetivo de la capacitación.
The record keeping is just amazing. To be able to go into Alchemy and pull that record like this.
Every audit we've experienced since we've had Alchemy systems, the auditor's gone, oh, use Alchemy. I have no more questions. We're done.
And we've literally seen the turnaround like you'd never believe. We saw our production efficiency start to climb. We literally went from about a 68%, and within a year we were hitting 88%, which is easily over $500,000 in savings. You know what, when I look at it and I look at what the cost was and I look at what the payback is, it's a no-brainer for us.
With the support of the Alchemy programs, we've dramatically increased the quality of our safety programs. We've seen accidents reduced by 80% over the course of the last 5 years. We've seen with that, there are many cost savings associated with the reduction in injuries, and employee morale goes up. So there have been many benefits.
By introducing the Alchemy systems into our onboarding process, we were able to see a 25% reduction in our quality complaints just from the implementation of that system.
And I think that's the real essence. How do we get to where somebody will always make the right decision at 11:30 on a Friday night on line 10 in the plant?
We were sitting at about 60% turnover, which was enormous. And that year, we implemented Alchemy Coach. We went from 60% turnover to 12% turnover. And a huge part of that was attributed to Alchemy Coach. Working with Alchemy, it's fantastic. I specifically want to note how easy it has been implementing the program and asking for support when I need it.
One of the things that stands out for me when it comes to Alchemy is the support team. The support that we get from customer service has just been amazing for us.
Everyone has been so wonderful to work with. I think they're a great organization in terms of how they build relationships. They're honest and caring and kind, and they want the best for you as a partner. And so I really appreciate that, and everyone's just wonderful.
No. How would I feel if Alchemy was taken away from me? No. That's all there is to it.
I don't think I can go back now. It would be too painful to go in reverse and not have Alchemy. The possibilities are pretty much endless. It feels like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory when I'm in there. I can do whatever I want.
At the end, it makes my job a lot easier, which you can't get any better, can it?